Good morning, happy Sunday. So this is where the Sunday has found me. I'm in Kibaale, that is one of the cottages. The other one is the Bill and Barbara Gaia Vocational Training Center. That is the green mamba that brought us. Those are the trees. That was our vocational training center where the women have been studying from tailoring and hairdressing and everything that the Bill and Barbara Gaia is constructing. Those are our toilets. We need to put off the solar. That is one of the trainers who is doing watering the greens or vegetables. And then this is where I am now. And this is the cottage. And this is where I am. Nice Sunday.